Hi, Lisa.
Hey, it's me.
It's been ages since we last saw each other. How are you?
I'm doing well. What's new with you?
Oh, I just got divorced. I'm getting used to being single again.
I'm so sorry to hear that, but things will get better.
I hope so too. How about you?
Oh, same old, same old. Nothing new.
Have you met anyone new yet?
No, I'm not ready for a new relationship. I'm enjoying my single life right now.
But you've been divorced for over 3 years. It's about time you started dating again.
Slow down? I'm not in a hurry. How about you? What are your plans for the future?
I'm still really upset about the divorce. Everything's still a mess.
It's okay. Everything will pass. Do you remember 3 years ago when I got divorced? You were the one who was there for me, comforted me, and helped me get through it.
How could I forget? And now, here we are in the same situation. Only this time, it's you comforting me.
Life is so weird. Why are we so similar?
Yeah, we're the same age. Went to the same high school and university, and even got married the same year.
And now we're both single again.
It's funny, isn't it? Hold on a second. I need to take this.
Hey, Layla, do you know what I just found out?
What is it? Why are you so flustered?
Oh, you're so naive.
But what is it? I don't understand.
Where are you? Can we meet up right now?
I just moved into Lisa's house, so I can't go out now. Can you just tell me over the phone?
Oh, you idiot. Do you know who your husband's mistress is?
Oh, who is it?
You idiot. It's your best friend, Lisa.
No way. You're kidding.
Let me send you a picture of them together and you'll believe me.
But how can you be so sure? There's no way Lisa would do that to me.
Yesterday, I saw them together. What reason would they have to be together? They were even eating ice cream and holding hands on the street. You've been betrayed by your best friend and you don't even know it. Oh, she's so shameless. She even invited you to stay at her house?
Oh no. This can't be happening. Why is this happening to me?
Idiot, get out of her house. And don't forget to slap her.
Okay, I'll call you back later. I'm hanging up now. Lisa's here.
What's wrong? Who called you?
It was Mindy. She just told me a very strange story.
What is it? Why do you look so pale?
Lisa, Mindy told me she saw you out with a boyfriend?
What? I don't have a boyfriend.
That sounds strange.
What the hell did she say?
What's even stranger is that your boyfriend is my ex-husband.
I'm okay, Layla. Sooner or later, you'll find out. I'm not hiding it from you anymore. Yes, I'm dating your ex-husband.
You're a bitch.
Calm down. I haven't done anything wrong. Your husband was the one who hit on me first.
That doesn't matter. I considered you family, and you know I still love him very much. But you're dating him anyway? There aren't any other men in the world? We're best friends.
I'm so sorry, Layla, but he stopped loving you. If it wasn't me, it would be someone else dating him. Don't blame others. First, look at yourself. What did you do to make a man who loved you so much, hate you so much, that he ended up with another woman and decided to get a divorce? Look deep inside yourself, Layla. What have you done?
In the quiet of night, stars whisper to the sky. Moonlight on the water, dreams softly take flight. Hands touch the ivory keys, heartbeats in harmony. Melodies of peace rise, moments of serenity. Whispers of the breeze under a canopy of trees. Breathing in the calm, life's sweetest symphonies. Notes like gentle rain on leaves, they softly land. Echoes in the twilight, peace you understand. Raise your eyes to dawn, new beginnings in the light. Hope in every sunrise, chasing away